Hello students, now we will start the P block elements group 14. Group 13 and group 14 we are going to start. So in the group 13 and the 14 we all should know what the things are coming in this one. Electronic configuration will come in both atomic radii, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity. When we are talking about the chemical properties, it's said to be the oxidation state, which is very important. Chemical reactivity, reactivity towards air, reactivity towards acids and alkali, reactivity towards halogen. Means if you will learn from the flow chart, back of it all the things are there in the book. After this, next we are talking about compounds of boron. It is borax, orthoboric acid, diboron and uses of boron. After group 13, it's come as group 14. We are saying again it come as electronic configuration, covalent radius, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, physical properties. Chemical properties are said to be the oxidation states, chemical reactivity towards water, reactivity towards halogen, important trends of analogous behavior. Now next we are talking about the allotropes of carbon. We are saying yes, it is a diamond, graphite and fluorines. If you are using the definition according to this flowchart, then sure you got a full marks in this one. Okay. So some things I would like to tell you. Okay. So first is you can write these things solo in a copy. P block elements group 13 to group 18 is coming. Journal electronic configuration NS2 NP1 to 6. Boron family is coming here in group 1 13. Electronic configuration NS2 NP1. Atomic radii generally increases. Exceptions are there. Next is ionization enthalpy will takes place of this one. It decrease due to increase in the atomic radius. Electronegativity decrease down a group and increase up of a group. Electropositivity increase down a group. Why it is so? Because of the ionization enthalpy. Metallic character is always increases. Okay. Now next we are talking about the non-metallic character decrease down a group. Okay. Reason is written downside. After it is we are using here VP of group 13 elements is generally decreased down the group. Okay. After this we are using oxidation state, which is very important. Different oxidation state of different elements. Inert pair effect is important. Here we are using a tendency of NS2 electron pair to participate in bond formation. Reactivity towards air. When we are talking about the air, it means we need the oxygen here. Okay. Now reactivity towards acids and alkalis. Here this is important. These are the reactions of alkalis. B plus HNO3. HNO3 means the nitric acid. In the presence of the heat, it forms as H3BO3 and 3NO2 beside as boric acid. Fine. So these things are completely reactivity towards halogen will come. Now next is physical properties are there and properties of which is different. Okay. After this we are using some methods are also of preparation, like borax is there. So these are things you have to learn it. Okay. Physical properties are also be there for this one diagram. You can see uses of boron will come here. Borax blood test is important. Uses of aluminium and compounds. In a group 14, we are saying the same thing, electronic configuration NS2, NP2. Germanium have like this 10F, 14F. This thing learn it. Covalent radius is there. Increase in covalent radius C2, Si. Ionization enthalpy is there. The ionization energy decrease down the group due to increase in atomic size. Electronegativity will also be there, decreases from C to Si but then increases. Okay. Physical properties of group 14. Here physical properties are there, chemical properties of it. Now in a chemical properties we are doing some reactions. Reactivity towards oxygen we are doing here. Reactivity towards water. Okay, water means we are using H2O. After this we are using reactivity with halogen. Halogen you all know we are using here halogens. Then we are doing the reactions. These reactions we are doing with different elements. Okay. After this, very important this one point, catenation. Already I have explained it. Allotropy, allotropes of carbon. These all things I have understood, explained to you. Fluorescence and uses of carbon. Some important compounds of carbon is there. Carbon monoxide. How the carbon dioxide preparation will takes place. Okay, silicon dioxide, silicon's preparation will take place. Zeolites are there, silicates are there. Okay, so students, till here you can completed your work. And one thing more I would like to tell you, see here in the syllabus, S block elements and P block elements is over today. Okay, and organic chemistry we will not start. Okay, so this one chapter cut it, fine. And this one in a hydrocarbons we are telling about. In a hydrocarbons, now listen to me. First of all the things nomenclature you learn, then you can write down the physical chemical properties of it, fine. And then if you will show triple bond, double bond, then it can show like this. If we will ask Marconi's addition rule, then you can write down. Take it from the ABC book, all the things are there. Preparations will all the three preparation do, nomenclature do, chemical properties do, physical properties do, and some extra things are there that addition with halogen, hydrogen halides, water. So this thing you can complete it. So our syllabus is going to complete it now. Thank you students and have a nice day.